Hi guys, this is Bilal Khan and you are watching Simplified Coding. From this video, we will start coding our APIs. So let's start with sign up. First, we will delete this echo statement. And inside the sign up function, we will get some request parameters. And to get the request parameters, we need to define a request instance here. So we will write request and request. So we have the request here, and from this request we can get the passed parameters, and we will also add the validations in this request. So first let's add the validations. So we will validate the request using the validate function, and inside the validate function we will pass an array that contains the validation rules. So first we need the name in our request, and it is required, and it should be an string. After name we need email. So email also required, and it is also a string, and it is an email, and it should be unique in users table. So we have email. Finally we have password. So we have password, it is also required. Now password is also a string and it is confirmed. Now confirmed here means we need to pass two passwords. One is password and another one is password underscore confirmation, and both values should match. So we have the validations ready in the request. Now we will create a user to sign up. So we have user equals to new user, and inside the user constructor we will pass all the required attributes for our user, which are name, email and password. So we will first pass name, then email, and then password. Now here we need to encrypt the password before storing it. So here we will call a function that is bcrypt, and inside the bcrypt we will pass the password like this. So we have the user with given values. Now finally we will save the user, and after saving the user we will return a message that the sign up successful. So we will return response, and we will return a JSON response. So inside JSON we will pass a message like user registered successfully, and we will also pass a status code that is 201, means created. So we have the sign up function ready. We just need to import our user model here. So we have use app and then user, and everything else is fine. Now our sign up should work. So let's test it. So this is our root URL, and then API, then auth, then sign up. So if we will send a post request now, it should give us validation error messages. So let's send the post request. So it is not giving us any error, but we are getting redirected to the home page. And this is because we need to pass a header. So we will pass a header. So go to headers, and here we will pass accept and then application JSON. And now if we will send the request, we will get the validation error messages. You can see the name, email and password is required. Now we can send all these values. So we will go to body and we will send name, let's say Bilal Khan, and email and the password. Now still we are getting an error, and it is because for password we need to send one more field, that is password underscore confirmation, and it should match with our password. Now if I send the request, I will get the message that user registered successfully. And if I go to my phpMyAdmin, this is my database, and here I have the users. Here you can see the user is registered. So we can register one more user because this email is now already taken. So if we send the request again, we will get the error message that email has already been taken. So if I change the email, let's say X, so it is working fine. And we will see one more user in our users table. So our sign up API is working absolutely fine. So I think this is enough for this video, friends. In case you are not able to do it, please comment it below and I will try to help you out. Also, if you have any question or confusion, you can comment it below. In case you found this video helpful and learned something, then please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you're not already a subscriber and share this video with your friends. So thanks for watching everyone. This is Bilal Khan now signing off.